Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and I've been in the video archives and some footage and pictures from a trip to Malta a couple of years ago, and we're visiting the set of Popeye the movie. The 1980s movie was Robin Williams' first major role, and the fictional town of Sweethaven was actually in Anchor Bay in Malta, and it remains here today as a tourist attraction. And we'll put more details about Popeye Village in the description box below this video, and we hope you enjoy this little walk around of Popeye Village itself. And I've got to say, it is well worth a visit if you are in Malta. This attraction is very easy to reach by car or by local bus, and we'll put more details in the description box below. When I was here, they were doing some work in redoing many of the 20 buildings' roofs, and that work has now been completed. There are live actors as you wander around the attraction, and places to eat, and lots of events taking place. There's a museum and a little cinema as well, and lots of other attractions here, and it is an absolutely stunning setting. Look at the colour of that water in this bay. If you want to buy souvenirs, you can of course buy them here in the general store, which we're going into now. And here's a map of Popeye Village itself, taken from the official website. I'll put more details down below in the description box. And like I say, it is full of live character actors. And look who it is. It's Popeye himself. And who's that? Is it Brutus? And olive oil and someone's head in the stocks. Look at the colour of that water. You can actually get married here. Imagine being married, a Popeye themed wedding. And there's my head on Popeye's body. There are restaurants here and places to eat, and they do have different themes going on throughout the year. On the upper complex, they have mini golf and also a mini assault course with animations and entertainment, whilst on the lower complex there are also inflatables and sun lounges if you wish to spend the whole day here sunbathing and enjoying this beautiful Mediterranean bay. In the low season, it will cost €15 for adults and €25 in high season, and somewhere in between in the mid-season, which does include free popcorn and entry to the museum. And here's another actor, he's the baker. And we're going up now towards Olive Oil's home. And there is a sign on the wall to beware of pickpockets and loose women. And by that they don't mean these three. And as we go into this house, there's an old looking kitchen. Looks a bit like my kitchen, something from the 1970s. And that's Popeye's granddad. Well, it's actually a 20-year-old actor with a grey beard, but nevertheless joining in the fun and giving a little bit of a talk about the history of this place. Much of it has been rebuilt. There has been a number of fires here over the years, which has meant rebuilding. Not surprising, there is so much wood and some building work going on there, which has now been completed. Part of the admission price here includes free popcorn and entrance to the cinema, where they are showing a 15-minute documentary about the film and the film set. They're also creating a Robin Williams museum here, which will be open soon, if not already by the time you're watching this video. And have you been here? Was it worth it? Please do comment below. And I've never actually seen the film itself, but visiting here made me want to go and watch it. The original construction of Popeye Village took place in 1979, and it took 7 months to build. 165 construction workers and 8 tons of nails and 2,000 gallons of paint. But now our time is almost done, and it's time to leave. The exit awaits. Thanks for watching, and until next time, with more adventures from Travels with Charlie and Friends, we'll see you soon.